everyone, this is the Avaris Road e-bike. It comes 95% assembled and I'm going to show you how to build it. Also included you have a set of standard pedals, a charger, a user manual and some tools. Okay, let's get on with the build.
Carefully remove the packaging with scissors. Loosen and position the stem. Remember, anti-clockwise to loosen, clockwise to tighten. Attach and adjust the handlebar. Position the bar in the centre of the stem. Check to make sure that your grips are in the right place and the angle of the bar is comfortable. Tighten the screws clamp to hold the bar in place. Carefully adjust the display to the ideal position. Attach the pedals. Pedals are marked L and R. The right pedal attaches to the chain side with a clockwise thread. The left pedal has an anti-clockwise thread. Adjust the saddle height with the tool provided. Set saddle to the ideal height of the rider. Two battery keys are situated on your handlebar. Battery is removable but can be charged whilst connected to the bike. Fully charge the battery before first ride. Connect and plug in your battery before turning on the power at the socket. Never let your battery run out completely or it may damage the battery. The light on the charger will be red whilst charging and green when finished. Battery can also be charged whilst attached to the bike.
Okay, so now we've built it and we're ready to go. Just a few recommended checks though before you set off out. I'd say you need to just check your brakes, make sure they're working fine. Check your headset, which is give it a good put the brakes on. Give it a good rattle, nothing rattling, we're all good. Make sure you feel comfortable with your handlebars. Check your quick release on this wheel. It's actually on the other side of the bike, but there's a small lever here. Just make sure it's tight, nothing loose. It is tight, so that's good. Tyre pressures, they should be between 50 and 85 psi. And always just make sure you keep your tyres in good condition. You've tightened up your pedals when you were building the bike, hopefully, so everything's fine there. Coming over to the chain, just need to apply some lube to this chain. Plenty of good brands out there, wet ones, dry ones. Just apply a bit of lube on that before you set off out. Just check everything's good with the saddle and yeah, away you go, enjoy.